We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Nightstand 5-drawer dresser with LED lights and charging station by Ek & Cozy. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Nightstand 5-drawer dresser with LED lights and charging station is designed to be a versatile storage solution for modern homes. Its multi-scene application allows it to serve as a nightstand, side table, entryway table, or even a small dresser for bedrooms, hallways, or dorm rooms. Users frequently mention its adaptability, noting that it fits well in children's rooms, college dorms, and beside beds or couches. The compact vertical design, measuring 11.4 inches deep, 14.4 inches wide, and 37.5 inches high, makes it suitable for tight spaces where maximizing storage is essential. A standout feature is the built-in LED lighting system. The dresser offers 20 static colors, 22 dynamic modes, 10 speed grades, and 5 brightness levels, allowing users to customize the ambience of their room. Many reviewers highlight the LED lights as a favorite feature, describing the colorful glow as a fun and attractive addition, especially for children and teenagers. The included remote control enables easy adjustment of colors and modes, enhancing the overall user experience. However, there are occasional reports of remotes arriving damaged or malfunctioning, which can be frustrating, particularly when replacement support is difficult to access. The integrated charging station is another major draw. With 2 standard plug outlets and 2 USB ports, the dresser provides convenient charging for phones, tablets, lamps, and other electronics. Users appreciate the ability to keep devices powered up without needing extra extension cords or adapters. This feature is especially valued in bedrooms and dorm rooms, where accessible charging can be limited. Construction-wise, the dresser combines a sturdy steel frame with a solid MDF board top and non-woven fabric drawers. The MDF board is water-resistant and easy to clean, while the fabric drawers are breathable and can be wiped down with a wet cloth. The drawers are lightweight and foldable, each holding up to 10 pounds. Reviewers initially expressed skepticism about the durability of the fabric drawers, but many are pleasantly surprised by their sturdiness once assembled and loaded with items. The metallic handles allow for smooth opening and closing, and the overall assembly process is described as straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary tools included. Some users mention that the dresser feels unstable when empty due to its slim profile, but stability improves significantly once the lower drawers are filled. The inclusion of anti-tipping accessories and adjustable feet with plastic covers further enhances safety and stability, especially on uneven floors. Storage capacity is a recurring positive theme. With 5 drawers and a double display shelf, the dresser offers ample space for clothing, accessories, books, and everyday essentials. Users find that the drawers can accommodate more than expected, making the unit particularly useful for children's rooms, dorms, and small apartments where space is at a premium. The open shelf and tabletop provide additional room for lamps, decor, or frequently used items, keeping everything within easy reach. Assembly is frequently cited as a strong point. Most users report that the dresser is easy to put together, often taking less than an hour. The clear manual and included tools simplify the process, and an uploaded assembly video is available for extra guidance. This ease of setup is appreciated by those who are not experienced with furniture assembly or who need a quick storage solution. In terms of aesthetics, the dresser receives praise for its modern, minimalist appearance. The black finish and clean lines allow it to blend seamlessly with a variety of decor styles, from contemporary to transitional. The LED lighting adds a customizable accent that can be subtle or bold, depending on the chosen settings. Users enjoy the ability to change the look and feel of their space with a simple adjustment of the light color or mode. Despite its many strengths, the dresser is not without drawbacks. The most common concern is the relative flimsy nature of the fabric drawers compared to traditional wooden drawers. While most users find them adequate for light to moderate storage, they may not be suitable for very heavy or bulky items. The unit's lightweight construction, while making it easy to move, can also contribute to initial instability. Ensuring that heavier items are placed in the lower drawers helps mitigate this issue. Some users also express frustration with customer support, particularly when needing replacement parts such as remotes for the LED lights. This can detract from the overall satisfaction, especially when the lighting feature is a key selling point. Value for money is a frequent highlight in user feedback. The dresser is considered to offer excellent quality for its price point, with features like LED lighting and a built-in charging station typically found in more expensive furniture. Parents purchasing the dresser for children's rooms or college students outfitting dorms find it to be a practical and budget-friendly solution. The combination of storage, lighting, and charging in a single compact unit is seen as a significant advantage over standard nightstands or dressers. Long-term durability appears to be generally positive, with several users noting that the dresser holds up well over months of daily use. The fabric drawers maintain their shape and the frame remains stable as long as the unit is properly loaded and not subjected to excessive weight. The water-resistant MDF top is easy to maintain, and the overall construction resists minor bumps and scuffs. In summary, the Nightstand 5-drawer dresser with LED lights and charging station by Eck & Cozy stands out as a multifunctional, space-saving solution for modern living. Its key strengths include customizable LED lighting, a convenient charging station, ample storage capacity, and ease of assembly. The dresser's lightweight design and fabric drawers may not suit every need, particularly for those requiring heavy-duty storage, but for most users, these are minor trade-offs given the overall functionality and value. The sleek appearance and adaptable design make it a popular choice for bedrooms, dorms, and small apartments, while the added features set it apart from more basic storage options. If you are looking for a stylish, practical, and affordable piece of furniture that combines storage, lighting, and charging in one, this dresser is worth considering. Remember to check the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And if you own this item, please share your experience in the comments to assist other potential buyers.